We don't face plenty challenges when e don test us as a country. Buhari na him talk this one. President Muhammadu Buhari don talk say Nigeria na one country and na so e go remain. Buhari when talk say their focus na the Federal Republic of Nigeria, come talk say Nigeria don go through plenty wahala as a country, plus dem get plenty weaknesses, but dem dey patriotic and don make plenty sacrifices to make sure say Nigeria dey together.
Our main objective is the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We are human beings. We have our weaknesses, and I assure you that the patriotism in us is hard-earned. We have gone through all the troubles from 15th of January 1966 to date. You know what I mean by this. We kill about 1 million of ourselves in order to keep this country together. I don't think there can be any practical experience more than that. We are Nigerians. God willing, we will remain Nigerians, and Nigeria will remain one.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News.